Tink! Hey. You're throwing a fit, Tink. You have to go to the bathroom first. Tink! Oh, it's hard on the pig. Tink! Stop using your teeth. I'm not putting you in until you go to the bathroom. You have to go to the bathroom. I know. You still mad? Don't bite the dog's tail. Tink, you are not going in that house until you go to the bathroom. Go ahead. Oh, how long are you going to keep this up? Stop it! Go to the bathroom. That's a good girl.